Today's video, we're going to be making some buffalo chicken mini peppers. These are super simple. We're going to make them today in the air fryer. They only take a few minutes, and we're going to be using a rotisserie chicken to make things even easier. So let's go ahead and get started on making these buffalo chicken mini peppers. We're going to start off, of course, with these sweet mini peppers, and we're just going to cut each of them in half. We're going to cut the ends off first, and that is pretty much it. I am using just one bag of these mini sweet peppers, so if you want to make less, just go ahead and cut the recipe in half. But this is meant to be as an appetizer for like when you have people over and stuff, so it is going to make probably more than you would eat if it was just you and one or two people. This recipe is so easy to do. We're going to just mix this buffalo sauce in. We're going to add some cream cheese to give it some nice and creamy texture. And then, of course, this is optional, but I'm going to go ahead and put in some additional seasonings. Rotisserie chickens are normally, seasoned at the store. But I did go ahead and add in some extra seasonings, some garlic powder and stuff like that. And then we're also going to add in some shredded cheese to it. And you want to make sure that you do save some shredded cheese for the topping of it. All right, here we're adding in some green onions. And then we're also going to set some aside for garnish for the top. Then once you have everything in the bowl, just go ahead and mix it up. Alright, and then now the only thing we have to do, we're going to make these in the air fryer, but we're just going to go ahead and put this buffalo chicken mixture on all of our sweet peppers. And that is pretty much all we're going to do. So we're pretty much done making this besides setting them into the air fryer to cook. This is so easy. So just let's go ahead and continue stuffing all of our other sweet peppers with the buffalo chicken mixture. And then we will be ready to top them with some cheese and put them in the air fryer. Alright, so now we have set some shredded cheddar cheese aside, and we're just going to go ahead and top all of our sweet peppers off with that, just so that we can have a nice little melted cheese on top. And then we are going to move on to putting them in the air fryer. So we are going to place these into our air fryer, and we're going to cook them for 5 to 7 minutes. And what I like to do is I like to drizzle some ranch on top of them. You guys, if you like ranch, please do not skip out on the ranch dressing drizzle on top. And then top it with some more green onion just for looks. And you guys, these are definitely going to be a hit at whatever place you take them to. Here's what they look like. The ranch definitely hits. This is so good. The sweetness from the mini peppers, since they are mini sweet peppers, definitely goes really well with the spice from the buffalo. That is it for today's video, you guys. If you did like this video, please make sure you hit that like button, and I will see you on the next video.